kicking off Christmas with some Christmas tree inspired chocolate mint cupcakes. For this, we're going to use the Caroline's chocolate cupcakes mix. It's so easy to use. It's basically like dump everything, mix and bake. I used oil, milk, eggs, and I also added some mint for the mint kick. Mix everything, then put in a cupcake tin lined with the cupcake liners. Bake in a preheated oven for 15 to 18 minutes, and once they're done, allow the cupcakes to cool completely before frosting with some mint flavored buttercream. Yum. So just frost, make the frosting into a Christmas tree. Yes, just like that. And then add on your toppings. I use some decorations from Caroline Cupcakes, and voila, there you have it. Ready for the season.